What's going on, 392 gang? This your guy Kareem back with another video. If this is your first time viewing my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with my new video. Today we're gonna go to a different Cars and Coffee. This is one in Clearwater. It's called Big Storm Brewing. Well known, and looks like it's gonna be real big. So I want to check this one out. We got like 300 people going to this one. So it's out there in Clearwater. We're gonna get into this video. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's get it. Alright guys, we are out here right now checking out the cars. They got some pretty exotic cars out here, fast cars, Ferraris, as you guys going to see in a little bit. But I met this guy Troy with his business card. I'm gonna see. He said he see if we get a car, we could test drive it and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what's up and see how he gonna act. So you guys stay tuned for the car. You got some pretty nice cars, so we're about to get into it right now. This is the end of the video. We had a good time out here. So you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Till next time we out. And I'm about to go. You know how you gotta leave a car show, right? You gotta go. You gotta hit that gas so they can hear it. I'm about to hit that, and then we out, guys.